So I needed some rugged storage containers and decided to go with these Commander XXLs. These are 30 by 20 by 14. They're 27 gallons. That's another way to compare them with others. Made in the USA. They've got a black container with a yellow lid. What I really like about this particular one is the way that their design gives them a nice grid formation. It's kind of useful for a bunch of things that we've used them for. There's these shapes built into the cover, the lid, that allow it to snap on without any moving parts or extra pieces. It's just some of the shape or the design of the lid allows it to clamp on very securely. And the way that it clamps on around the lip of the container means that it's a very secure, waterproof attachment. It's also got 4 places for strapping bungee cords or running cables to secure it if you're going to lock it, or if you're going to attach it to a vehicle or something, or a trailer. The container itself has lots of great shape to it, which again gives it rigidity and a bit of structure without having to have a lot of extra material. It's very lightweight, but it's so rigid. It's such a strong design. We've really been impressed with it. Great for storage. Of course, they stack on each other real well. They will not fall over. They've got a good inch or more of clearance when they're connected. And again, you've got these holes going through the sides. So if you're going to be putting these on a trailer or putting them someplace where you have to worry about them being secure, you can make sure that they stay secure. Made in the USA, great containers, lots of great design features. Hope this helps.